If you're encountering a dashboard refresh error in Mode Analytics, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check data source connection. Ensure that your data source is properly connected. Go to the data source settings and verify that the connection credentials are correct and that the data source is online. Step 2. Review query syntax. Examine the SQL query used in the dashboard for any syntax errors. Make sure there are no typos or incorrect commands that could be causing the refresh to fail. Step 3. Inspect data permissions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Monitor data size. Check if the size of the data being queried is too large for the dashboard to handle. If so, consider optimizing the query to reduce the amount of data returned. Step 5. Retry refresh. After addressing any issues found in the previous step, attempt to refresh the dashboard again. If the error persists, consider reaching out to Mode Analytics support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the dashboard refresh error and get your analytics back on track.